emotional intimacy. Dapat ang pag-ibig laging may alab, mayroong sigalab, naglalagablab, may init sa lahat ng panahon.
You are truly a gift from God, and I promise to spend the rest of my life treating you as such. I will cherish you always and never take you for granted.
You are truly a gift from above with a gift such as you. I know that many responsibilities face me. I cannot do this on my own strength.
Lagi po nating tandaan, ang atin pong mga kabiyak, ang atin pong mga spouse ay gift from God. Hindi po nagkamali ang Panginoon. Hindi po patsamba-tsamba ang pag-asawa, kundi ito po ay regalo, sila po ay regalo ng ating pong Panginoon sa atin.
I will be a strong spiritual leader in our home through good times and bad, in joy, sorrow.
By following your leading submissively, even as unto Christ, loving and serving you in all circumstances, as long as He give me life on this earth.
Pinakamagandang nilalang na ibinigay ni Lord kay Edward ay walang iba, si Ruth.